Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best laminators to seal and secure your hard work on Amazon. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Scotch Laminator. Scotch is a household name for many professionals and students. The brand has an impressive product line, among which their laminator is no stranger to the spotlight. This small machine can seal any item up to 9 inches wide, and its heated rollers can offer pristine laminations that won't leave any wrinkles or air bubbles. You can use almost any kind of paper item with this laminator, including old photographs that have a glossy finish. No matter what you want to preserve, whether it's a photo or an important document, this machine won't cause any damage to it and can even laminate pouches with thicknesses up to 5 mils. Number 2. Crenova Laminator. At a whopping speed of 90 seconds, the Crenova Laminator can seal sheets faster than most other machines. The portable device is suitable for A4 paper and works great with 80 to 125 mic pouches, and it also utilizes CL1 technology to preserve color integrity. This laminator's adjustable heat settings ensure that many different kinds of items can be laminated, from old photos to company letters. The sky's the limit. Perhaps the thing that sets it apart is this laminator's wide range of complementary accessories, such as a 230mm inlet to connect to desktop computers, as well as a paper trimmer, hole puncher, corner rounder, and binder rings. The cherry on top, you also get 50 laminating pouches of various dimensions with your purchase, and the laminator's quick-release jam prevention can give you some peace of mind while working with important documents. Number 3. Fellows Laminator. This futuristic-looking laminator from Fellows packs a real punch when it comes to functionality. Compared to similar laminators, it's super compact and lightweight, but that doesn't mean it compromises on performance. If you often find yourself in a rush while laminating, you'll be happy to learn that this machine features InstaHeat technology that can warm it up so that it's ready to use in just 60 seconds. This laminator has a 12.5-inch entry slot that allows various types of documents to slide in with ease. It features both cold and hot lamination, making it great for various kinds of pouches, and built-in overheating protection will automatically shut off the laminator to keep you, the machine, and your documents safe. Number 4. Efficient Line Laminator. The Efficient Line Laminator is an excellent choice for both home and office use. It boasts a quick warm-up time and fast laminating speed to help protect your important documents and projects. It provides plenty of versatility, ranging from business cards to A3 sizes. This machine also comes with an array of other features. The 5-in-1 design includes 50 pouches, 25 A4 and 25 A6, a corner rounder, and 3 different paper trimmer patterns. Its double roller design further enhances the quick lamination speed, producing smoother and faster results with low noise. Safety is also assured with the ABS button, allowing you to remove stuck papers or pouches easily. The paper trimmer features precise grid lines and a removable metal bar for effortless cutting. Number 5. Amazon Basics Laminator. Perfect for laminating larger documents, the Amazon Basics Laminator is a beast of a machine that works with business cards, legal papers, photos, and letters. It accommodates items up to 9 inches wide and supports 3 and 5 mil pouches, and its compact design won't take up too much space on your desk. This laminator has 2 heat settings that can be adjusted depending on what's being laminated, thick or thin pages, and a short 4-minute heating time means you don't have to wait too long to get the job done. An LED light indicates when the laminator is ready to use, and it features a jam release mechanism for added convenience. This laminator takes the top spot on our list thanks to its simple, efficient design that gives maximum control to the user. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products, as it is going to make your life easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.